Hi, this is Mr. Detanencourt, and this is
I'm Dante.
and we're going to be talking about the water cycle. And today we're going to be using a stream table to help represent some of the things in the water cycle. So Dante, why don't you tell us what this little trough is all about?
Alright, so this trough here represents, say, a mountain. And precipitation, or this water right here, is going to be poured into the top, and it's going to simulate any amount of precipitation, either water or snow, either rain or snow, coming down. It would come down the mountain and then come down here into to the valley below it, the mountain.
All right. And then when it hits the dirt, how is this going to help model what we would see in nature?
Well, as the water comes down here, the force of the gravity pushing it down is going to create rivers, little ponds, and also underneath the surface, little wells and reservoirs underneath the surface, just as it would in everyday life.
Very good. All right, well, let's see what happens. Why don't we grab some water? You want me to do it?
Sure.
All right. So we'll just put a little bit at first. Oops, I'm going to get this book all wet. Why don't we get that out of there? And as you can see here, go ahead, tell us what's happening.
So you can see there's little rivers forming in here, little rivers, and right here you can see some still water. And right there you can see there's water seeping into the ground, which is going to go underneath all this dirt. Right there you can see there's a little pond forming, little rivers on the surface. And down here you can see there's water running, so that's proof that there's water underneath the ground. As you can see, the water here acted on the ground here. You can see a lot of erosion over here where the water fell mainly. And down here you can see a lot of the dirt is still dry and untouched, while the parts where it was falling mainly is very wet. Down here you can see there's a lot of erosion. There's a lot of the dirt slid down this way. And you can see the water came right back to the body it originally had came from, coming back to maybe an ocean or a big lake.